Welcome to the new Kidsmate Ninja Tricycle unboxing and installation video. In this video, we'll show you how to assemble your new tricycle. First, cut the tapes and open the tricycle box. Step 1. Unpack the parts. Take out all parts of the tricycle from the box one by one. Let's check what will you get in the tricycle box. The full metal frame, the front wheel, the rear wheels, the handlebar, the cushion seat, the front storage basket, back storage basket. Step 2. Install the rear wheel and front wheel. Press the button on the frame. This will release the pin. Gently pull it out from both sides. Now take the rear wheel, insert the pin and then press the button given on the frame and fix the wheel to the frame with the help of the pin lock mechanism. Repeat the same process for the left wheel. Now take a front wheel and attach the fender. Attach the front wheel to the main frame and place the front basket on top of it. Now take a handlebar and fix the knob. Press both lock buttons and insert the handlebar in the frame firmly until you hear a click sound. And the button comes out slightly. Lastly, tighten the knob and secure the handlebar. After that, fix the wheel caps on both sides. Rotate the wheels and make sure they are properly fixed and functioning. Step 3. Install the storage basket. Remove the knob. Align the basket on the frame and put the knob back and screw it tightly. Step 4. Install the tricycle seat. Take a tricycle seat, fix it to the frame and put the washer and nut and screw it tightly on both sides. Check everything is working properly and make sure everything is tight and secure. Congratulations! You have successfully assembled your new Kidsmate Ninja Tricycle.